To World Immigration News by Irfan. There is a huge conversation going on that there are some lawyers talking in Lipson that if somebody is not receiving TRC card, he can do one act. He can claim that his family has emergency in his home country like Africa, South Africa, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and he can apply TRC card on the basis of family emergency. These lawyers are also claiming that Department of Immigration, SAF or AIMA will issue TRC card on the spot, and you will be able to go to your home country as well, and you will get your resident card, and that will lead to your passport. Therefore, this is a trick people are using to get the TRC card. How much this action is correct, and when you can do this action? AIMA is entertaining this action, SAF is entertaining this action, Portugal Immigration Department is favoring this action, or you are spoiling your case, or you are getting your dream card by this act by lawyer. So therefore all these discussions will I do, because this is very important point. Some people are following this action in Portugal, and lawyers are also charging a lot of fee that if your TRC card is delayed. And even one thing more they are claiming, which is really amazing, that is that if you will stay in Portugal for 4 months, even you did not complete 6 taxes and you stayed just 4 months, still you can apply TRC by using this technique. You will say, my family is in emergency and I have 4 months stay, I deposited 4 taxes, therefore issue me TRC card urgently. And according to these lawyers, you just get your TRC card. Now you don't go to your see family, you go to see your family, or you don't go to see your family. That's not the issue, because your issue was TRC card which you was getting in 2.5 year, and now you are getting in just 4 months. So therefore this is a very significant deal lawyers are doing with the clients. How much they are successful, AIMA is entertaining or not, the details I will discuss in this clip. My channel name, as you already know, but one thing I will say, that before all these details, discussions, precious discussions, you will subscribe, like and share my channel for the further updates. First thing I will tell you, AIMA is very sensitive now. After the SAF conversion, AIMA is a department who is judging legal and illegal people, who is judging genuine and non-genuine people. And you must also understand the delaying of the cases. Definitely we are criticizing on action of AIMA. They are delaying, deliberate delaying. But one main reason of delaying is that they want to analyze each and single individual, how much genuine you are. I will say that this is just like a suicide effort when you will apply that I have family emergency. And what the lawyer will do, if you will say to lawyer do this thing, that's also wrong. If lawyer will advise you that do this thing to get your TRC card on urgent basis, even you are delayed, this is really a suicide. Reason I will tell you, because when you will say lawyer to send documents, our lawyer will send documents by himself to AIMA, and AIMA will be told, decide this file urgently because this individual has emergency back in home, he has to go his own country, therefore decide is application very soon. No, AIMA definitely is analyzing your case. It's happened in UK, Canadian embassies as well. When you withdraw your application, they refuse your application because they think that we are analyzing, and they are not giving us time to analyze. Similarly, AIMA will say that we are analyzing your application of TRC. We are just checking you are genuine or not genuine, your company is genuine or not genuine, your company is blacklist or not, your taxes are acceptable or not, you did leave Portugal or not, your name is in SIS system or not. So you are not giving us time to analyze. I am not favoring AIMA. I recorded myself sessions that AIMA is doing wrong thing, delaying deliberately. But in this case, when lawyer will decide now, AIMA straightforward will close the file, will say, okay, no problem, you go to see your family. You go to see your family without resident card, and when you will come back from your home country, you can lock your file once again and wait for TRC card once again 3 years. You did huge mistake. Some refusals are given to one very famous lawyer of Lipson, and those refusals, what are the refusals? I will tell you, and you will be astonished. In refusals, the AIMA is writing, as you want to go to your home and your home is in emergency, your family members definitely are in emergency, you need to go, and we checked your company. Your company is in blacklist. I mean, your company is taxes are not acceptable by us, and we are closing your case. I don't know that company was genuine or not, that company really genuine or not, but in some my percentage of mind thinking, AIMA wrote this sentence himself, deliberate. Reason is that when they thought this person is in emergency and is using trick to get TRC card, is using some legal trick to get urgent TRC card, and even he has emergency, he has to wait for TRC card, because that's the law of Portugal. When you want to get the resident card or passport, you have to stay at least up to TRC card. You can't leave the home country until emergency. And also AIMA also think that why he is not going to court to get the order, because there is a one facility given by Portugal's law that you can go to the court and you can get the permission. You can get the permission from the court and you can go to your home country, and that's the legal, and then come back and collect your TRC card. Why he is not using that channel? Why he is using channel to get TRC card? It means family is not in emergency. He is in emergency because he want resident card urgently. Because immigration departments now, they are more smart than you. They are more intelligent than you. Therefore, if you will throw some sands on their eyes, or you will try to close their eyes, and you will become little more smarter than you. They are more smarter than you, and they will close your file. There were a lot of refusals of one big liar in Lipson due to this activity, because he counseled that you need to apply family emergency and you will get the cases are refused. And definitely there was no loss of Lloyd charged the fee, and there was loss of these innocent individuals belonging to India. Especially Indians are the victims, and now they need to lock the file once again. The AIMA department told, this is your refusal letter. Still they can claim to court, that's another discussion. But one thing is sure, they lost their expected TRC card, and now in their letter it is written that you need to apply immigration once again, you need to wait once again for emails. Therefore, I think that mistake should not be done. One more mistake people are doing in family emergency. In family emergency, some people are applying on after 4 months of their stay in Portugal. Are you getting me? They are applying after 4 months stay in Portugal. When they will stay for 4 months and they will apply through this lawyer of any type, this lawyer or any other lawyer in the Lipson, and you will apply and you will say that you are in family emergency, and you please give me TRC card. You know, AIMA what he's writing and what he should write. I can tell you here. You just stayed 4 months here. The legal requirement of resident card is 6 legal taxes by genuine company. You did not complete even 6 months, and you are applying for TRC card. Now, one question you people will raise, no sir, you himself recorded one session that if your company is genuine and you stayed 4 months and even 6 taxes are not complete, you can hire a genuine lawyer and you can apply for resident card, and even your 4 month taxes you have given, and in this tenure of processing 2 months more will be gone, and at biometric you will show further 2 taxes as well, and you can get TRC card in 6 months. Yes, I recorded, but I did not I did not tell to claim this reason of family emergency. This family emergency is really putting doubt in the minds of immigration inspector and immigration officer. It's clearly shown that you have another channels to go to your home countries. They will straightforward tell you, they will not tell you you go to home country. They will say this file is cancelled. Now you can go, no problem. But they will say one thing more. Why you are not using that channel? Why you are not using that channel which is given in the domain of Portugal's law, that you can go to court and you can talk to a judge that I have family emergency, my resident card is under process, and please give me permission to leave the country, and you can go. There is no problem. Why you are compelling a immigration department to process your card in emergency by leaving a lot of migrants? It's clear that this act is not amicable, is not acceptable by any immigration department. Don't do this mistake. A lot of people suffered, a lot of people wasted time. Therefore, if you want to create a reason, kindly, that's the point I want to talk with you. When you are talking with your lawyer, you have to be conversate. You must know your case yourself as well. Don't rely 100% absolutely on your lawyer. Whatever the which act he is doing is you in your favor. No, he is doing for the money. You will be refused. You will be accepted. The lawyer will charge the fee. So my first opinion is that you must wait for 2 years to get the TRC by a genuine by procedure way. But if you want to get in 6 months, then you have to create a genuine reason. There is no need to tell family emergency. People are getting very easily. They are just telling to the court that we stayed 6 months in Portugal, and in Portugal's law, if 6 month person is staying and is depositing 6 taxes, he is eligible for resident card. AIMA department is taking more than 2 years. I want to get the resident card according to law. That's the point. You are speaking lie. That's the way you are going to refuse your application. Keep watching. Watch Immigration News by Sir Irfan with analysis, predictions, and the solutions of immigration problems of almost all developed countries. My email, barconsultant1@gmail.com. Thank you very much.